Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Let's learn how to reshape a rectangle into an organic form using the direct selection tool. Start by selecting the rectangle on your canvas. Now switch to the direct selection tool to reveal its corner. Start by selecting the rectangle on your canvas. Now switch the direct selection tool, reveal its corner. Click one corner and drag it outward to create a curve. Next, adjust the handle to soften the curves. Move to the opposite corner and repeat the shaping. Now begin curving the side anchors for a more natural flow. Pull each anchor gently until the rectangles become fluid. Continuing shaping until you see a smooth organic